So back in January 2020, I'd been in business about a year by that point, but I wasn't online, and I was fairly frustrated that I wasn't online, if you like. You know, that was the intention. I felt very stuck and fairly anxious, I suppose, at that point. So I'd gone to Kirsty's mastermind in the January 2020, really with that sole purpose of kind of being able to move forward, because I just felt as if I'd spent a year not really moving forward. It was kind of that stuck place, and I was doing live events at that time, but I wasn't where I wanted to be or where I expected to be in my business. So the results that I've achieved in the last year since I've been on the mastermind have, I'd launched my first online product. So it was a low-end product. It was £29, but literally within a couple of weeks I'd got 55 people signed up to it. So that was literally within the first few weeks. So it was a really good convincer for me that I'd made the right decision. And very, very quickly after that, I launched my online coaching program. I did my own challenges online. And so it was almost a very, very steady increase right from that moment. So it was almost like that first product freed the block, you know, and I, you know, I've never looked back in that from that place. So for me, I've had consistent financial months as well. So I'm earning consistent £20,000 months now. So it's a massive financial shift. We've all gelled, we've all created these really, you know, I've got a friend for life. I know that's not the kind of the purpose of it, but you know, Kirsty really gets to know you and your business. And I think if there's a decision about, you know, going to a bigger group program, for me, that's not an option anymore. You know, the fact that we've got this smaller group, Kirsty gets to know you personally, and you know, you get that dedicated support. So for me, that's what's worked.